Hi everyone, I am Murugan Ravi. Today I am going to talk about how to meditate. I created this video today because I honestly feel is that even from my fitness and health perspective, this video that can completely turn your life around. What I feel honestly is that meditation has a crucial part of play in a journey of reaching a maximum potential. A lot of successful people all over the world, for example, Bill Gates, Bill Smith, Go Bryant, and even Sean Watson. Sean Watson turned to meditation in order to enhance his rest of his life. Sean Watson, one of the greatest cricketers all round in the modern era, has actually said that towards the end of his career, meditation is helping him cope with injuries. Injury recovery, muscle recovery are just a few benefits from the meditation. A recent study showed that the people who meditate have a higher level of gyrification. Gyrification means the folds in the cortex of your brain that enhance the amount of folds actually linked with the faster processing power. You are becoming smarter and your brain becoming faster and active through the meditation. Long-term meditation actually linked with the more gyrification. If you more meditate, you more gyrification and more of your processing power. So essentially you do meditation as some kind of brain workout where you enhancing the power of your brain by just doing meditation for just 10 to 20 minutes a day. The most of the studies show that meditation changes certain parts of your brain. It increases the size of the parts, those linked with the happiness and also linked with the memories and also linked with the focus. At the same time, the other side, meditation linked to decrease the depression and stress. It actually largest enhancing your state of being, something as simple as meditation. Let's talk a little bit about my personal experience on meditation. I practice meditation from my school days. It is very useful for my early studies, job career and even today in my small business. I do meditation for 20 minutes before go to bed, that itself. You are not getting any benefits if you just once in a while. But the real benefits from the meditation is increased level of happiness when only happen after you meditate every single day. Let's talk a little bit about my personal experience on meditation. I practice meditation from my school days. It is very useful for my early studies, job career and even today in my small business. I do meditation for 20 minutes before go to bed, that itself. You are not getting any benefits if you just once in a while. But the real benefits from the meditation is increased level of happiness when only happen after you meditate every single day. But what I do promise you is that if you follow the guidelines of the setting down, it will make a difference in your life. The theoretical definition of meditation is that disconnected. The people say that when you meditate, you disconnect from the real world, but you don't think too many things. You just supposed to concentrate in your own breath. You can't sit in one place and meditate and disconnect from the everything else. Obviously, you are going to have a lot of thoughts in your head. But you need to understand that this is completely normal. It's a human nature. So I am going about step-by-step guides on how to meditate and minimize your thoughts from your mind. The first, you need to sit down in a quiet place and ideally in complete darkness and fold your legs, just cross the legs and put your arms comfortable however you want and begin your meditation process. The mindfulness meditation is taking deep breath and inhale, complete and exhale. You need to concentrate on own breath and do it for just 20 minutes. And the trick is here to avoid thoughts, 20 other things. So try consciously focusing on your own breath and do it for about 20 minutes every single day. If the 20 minutes seems like a lot, you can start with 10 minutes every day. But the key is here to just doing yourself. Every time you open your eyes after the meditation session, you become a calmer and a cooler and the world will be in different. What I just spoke about something called mindfulness meditation. We focus on a single thing and distract yourself from other thoughts. In this case is your breath. But from what I observe and from my personal experience, I couldn't go for the mindfulness meditation, especially as a beginner. So the meditation I practiced and I teach to my family members and friends is called Om Chanting meditation. But you can't understand that Om is kind of a tangible distraction for your mind. When you chanting Om is that same distraction that helps to disconnect from the real life, that all it is. In order to go for Om chanting meditation, once again, you just got to sit in a comfortable position, ideally in complete darkness and take a deep breath and just let out and Om. Once again, you don't worry too much about the technique. It's not about how you sit and how you chanting. It's just about getting yourself you chanting Om every single day. That was the major difference. You know, when you go to the gym and you just disconnect from the lively, meditation is just other way of releasing all the hormones. After your point of view, make it as a habit and become source of recreation. That's why you want to reach. But the rule number one is create a habit and push yourself to meditate. And you meditate at least 20 minutes every single day, and all you need to know. That's the end of this video. If you like this video, please share with your family members and friends, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and meet you on next video. Bye and take care. Bye.